With food prices going up every day, it's getting harder to cook a good meal without spending so much, right? I totally get it. Sometimes you just have to make do with what's in your kitchen. So today, I'm showing you how I made this one pot native Nigerian jollof rice using just what I had at home. No fancy ingredients, no stress. And guess what? It still came out so rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Stay tuned because this simple budget meal will prove you don't need much to eat well. So come closer and let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's quickly have a rundown of the ingredients for this recipe. Number one, I have the crayfish, locust bean, and also maggi. I have fish, salt, scotch bonnet pepper. I have this one at home, and I am using local rice. This is just about 2.5 cups. I also have onion, and I also cut this ugwu leaf from my garden to garnish the meal. I have all of this at home, so you can make your meal with what you have at home. I also want to add a little bay leaf, just 2 pieces. Look at all the ingredients. I have all of them at home. So let's start by washing the fish. This is a catfish. It's the locally made one, so I need to wash to remove any iron sponge. The aim is just to get rid of all the sand there. So having cleaned it, I will also go further to add salt on it and a little hot water. Allow that to stay for about 5 minutes. This is my scotch bonnet pepper and chili pepper. I will chop everything. I chop it the way. Tends to give it that local taste because nothing artificial. I'm not even using blender. I'm using just, you can use a mortar, chopping mortar, or you can use a grinding stone for this, but this is the way I love it. So the next, I cut my onion fish now. Oh, this fish is bad. Can you see? Now I deliberately left this part of the clip to tell you something, that when you cook with bad ingredients, you spoil the taste of your soup. So I did not use the dry fish. Coming over here, I have 4 cups of water because I'm using 2 cups of rice and adding all my ingredients together. It's a 1 pot jollof rice, so all the prepared ingredients, I add everything in the pot at once with the water. This is my seasoning cube. I'm using just 1.5, not up to 2. So I will add a little red oil also, since it is red oil jollof rice. Red oil jollof rice. Take using your red oil. This in this case is optional. I mean, the quantity is optional. So allow to cook. And after it boils, I introduce the washed rice. Remember, I'm using local rice. So you can use any rice of your choice in this recipe. Now, after pouring in the rice, I gave it a gentle mix so all the ingredients can combine nicely and soak up that rich native flavor. Next, I cover the pot and let it cook on high heat. And while that is cooking, I will cut my ugwu leaf. This ugwu leaf is fresh from my garden. So as my usual custom way of washing leaves, I add a little quantity of salt into a clean water, immerse the leaves. That one, the other leaf is curry leaf with the ugwu leaf. So I will use the leaves to garnish. So I wash it under the running water, and here I have a clean leaf. It's time for me to chop. So I will gently chop the ugwu leaf. I will not make it as tiny the way we use it for other ingredients. So this is just the way I love it. By the way, let me know where you are watching from in the comments. I'd love to give you a big virtual hug in my next video. So tell me, which ingredient do you prefer to use when you are cooking your jollof or concoction rice? Let me know in the comment below. Coming over here, I have my rice. All the water has disappeared from the top, so this is the time it will have to slow cook. So I reduce the flame, the intensity of the light, and it's time for me to add my grain. This rice is inviting. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find simple Nigerian recipes like this. And if you love budget-friendly local meals, go ahead and subscribe now if you haven't, because I've got plenty more delicious recipes coming your way, right? So do that right away. Thank you. I will cover and allow to simmer. And that is it. Our one-pot, low-budget native Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Simple ingredients, rich flavor, and it didn't even cost much. If you're a student, this is a go-to meal for you, and it's very rich. It's time for me to dish to serve myself this sumptuous meal. No stress. Very easy to prepare. Very simple. And guess what? This meal is so delicious. So delicious. I tell you, trust me, try it and let me know how yours turn out to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Nigerian and African recipes just like this one. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I really love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.